We have an exciting day today because we have our technology event where we brought in all the groups from Oceaneering, the energy sector and outside of energy, to come and display all the technology that's going on within Oceaneering. They can see the technology thread that weaves through all of Oceaneering across all the business units. Everything from the autonomous forklift to the people mover, momentum ROV, that technology thread that weaves through Oceaneering that brings all this together is really special, and it's really noticed by the customers. To see the technology, and more importantly, they like to see the people that are behind the technology. They want to see the concept engineer, they want to see the project manager, they want to talk to the operation folks and really understand what it is that drives that technology. So really great feedback, really great to see. If you had a chance to come out, we love seeing you here. If you didn't, check all of our social media pages for the updates and the videos and the highlights. We'll see y'all soon. Stay safe.